Jadi sebelum menikah tuh masih liar, nah setelah menikah insaf gitu. Sebelum dan sesudah menikah. Sebelum menikah ngeliat gini kayak kudu. Pas udah nikah nyuci. Ini masanya dicuci.
Serta salam semoga tetap tercurah pada junjungan kita Rasulullah Muhammad SAW yang telah memberikan bimbingan, tuntunan dan pelajaran kepada kita sehingga kita dapat melaksanakan tugas hidup ini sesuai dengan petunjuknya. Tidak ada sesuatu yang membahagiakan pagi ini kecuali dikala seseorang yang menemukan tambatan hatinya. Dua hati yang semula berpisah pagi ini oleh Allah dipertemukan. Hati Mas Putu Ditya Yogi Wibawa dan Mbak Anindya Putrika dipertemukan oleh Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala yang ditindaklanjuti dengan akad nikah. Tujuannya adalah bagaimana supaya mewujudkan kehidupan keluarga yang sakinah mawaddah warahmah.
Ya Putu Ditya Yogi Wibawa zawjuka ala ma amarallahu bihi min imsakin bima'rufin aw tasrihim bi ihsanin. Saudara Putu Ditya Yogi Wibawa, Anda saya nikahkan dengan Anindya Putrika dengan wali hakim saya dengan mas kawin uang Rp151.212, seperangkat alat sholat dan perhiasan emas 10,26 gram tunai.
Saya terima nikahnya Anindya Putrika binti Wiswajaya dengan mas kawin seperangkat alat sholat, perhiasan emas seberat 10,26 gram dan uang senilai Rp151.212 dibayar tunai.
You know the roads we have to walk winding. You know the lights that lead the way are blind. There are many things that I'd like to say to you, but I don't know how. Sit and read me gonna be the one that saves me. And after all, you're my wonder. 2 was gonna be the day they'll never bring us back to you. By now you should have somehow realized what you gotta do. I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now. And all the roads we have to walk are winding, and all the lights that lead the way are blind. There are many things that I would like to say to you, but I don't know how. I said maybe you're gonna be the one that saves me. You're gonna be the one that saves me. And after all, you're my wonder. You're my wonder. You're my wonder. You're my wonder.
Come on, skinny love, just let's sing it. To pour a little salt we will never eat. My, 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 my. Staring at the sink of blood across the knee. Right in this moment, there's all this time. And I told you to be patient, and I told you to be fine, and I told you to be balanced, and I told you to be kind. And in the morning I'll be with you, and it will be a different kind. And I'm holding all the tickets, and you'll be owning all the fines. Come on, skinny love, what happened? Circle on the hope and leprosies. My, 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 my. Someone noticed food so slow on the stairs. And I told you